Try nyo na ba mag-air fry ng nachos? Etong hihanda nyo sa next summer getaway nyo with your friends. And let's make it cheesy and easy kasi gumamit ako ng Lady's Choice Cheddar Cheese Mayo. And ayun nga, ang best part, sobrang bilis lang gawin. For your beef, saute garlic in hot oil, then add ground beef, then add tomato paste, more liquid seasoning, then add lang tayo ng taco seasoning, then set aside. Of course, sa nachos, cheese is always the best part. As in, no need na gumawa ng cheese sauce. Mix your Lady's Choice Cheddar Cheese Mayo and mozzarella. Tapos assemble na natin. Nachos in, add your chopped onions and tomatoes, and of course, generously add your cheese mix. Damihan niya para mas masarap. Then go ahead and make another nacho layer. And ayun na, meron ka ng air-fried cheesy nachos na elevated than your usual nachos. Ang low lang ng effort pero high reward. Easy to make, yet masarap. And by the way, Lady's Choice Cheddar Cheese Mayo is available in all leading supermarkets nationwide. Enjoy! Ang bilis lang pag may bisita. Pak, 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 lagay. Ayun na.